Welcome to Google Certified Student, Level 1, Google Docs, Scenario 2. Florencio is watching a video about how to make pizza. He's taking notes on Google Docs. Where must he click to add a bulleted list to his notes? So in this scenario, Florencio is watching a video about how to make pizza, and he wants to take his notes here on Google Docs, and he wants to organize them using bullets. There's a couple ways to do it. You can start by clicking the bulleted list button right here, or you can go to Format, so the bullets and numbering, and you can select a bulleted list, and then you can choose from the different styles here. Those are two ways. Probably the quickest, easiest, and fastest way is to use the button right here on your toolbar. So if I was to click that, it makes a bullet. And if I was watching the video, it may say how to toss the dough in the air. When I hit enter, it adds another bullet. If we need to make the sauce, need to add seasoning to the sauce, and maybe mix the cheese, fine pepperoni, and so on and so forth. I would just simply hit enter to add a new bullet each time.